Hey guys, good morning and welcome to TCSiON, who has already been got a very good, great career edge where we're going to see this. Could you see that we have been launched recently where we can able to access freely and will get certified. So let's move to the section where you have to log into learns.tcsionhub.in where you can able to first you have all you have to do is to sign up. Just go to sign up and see these are the things: learner, publisher, or institution. If you are an institution, you can go with the institution, or you are a publisher, you want to learn something new in your career, you can able to log in. Or you are a learner, since the people are just beginners, so you can, as you are working or you are in a school or you are in a college, you can go with the option called learner. All you have to do is to just fill up all these things: your full name, email ID, password, and password should be at least one numeric digit and one characteristics, one lowercase and one uppercase. And confirm your password, put your mobile number, make are you a minor. If your age of 18, you can even participate in this. So you can put as yes. You have to go with certain rules where they have given you some options like your guardian names and emails and other options. If you are no, just click it no by clicking, and you all have to get the accesses. Just click OK and put the catchy, like the catchy which also already have been inputted, and give a submit button. Since I have already been logged in, so I'll be logging. All right. So here goes. Yeah. Okay. So I've been logged in. All you have to do is to go to character catalog. So if your graduations or you're studying or something, you can click graduations, and you see there are some list of products. All the products has been listed out. All you have to do is to go to the price and smart. So, so don't worry about the prices, which has already been done here. All you have to do is to put them. Go to free. So you can see the carrier edge knockdown locks. Since I have already been subscribed, all you have to do is just click the subscribe button and activate your section. Yes, the data consultancy is already providing all this knowledge where it's about the certifications. Click on the cookies. See, this is a certificate exactly provided by the data consultancy. Once you've been filled up with your 2 weeks of section, you'll be provided with the certificate. So, as you see, these are the courses and the syllabus is being listed out like one module from one module, and each of the modules is being published here. So within 15 days the assessment will be provided, and once you complete it, the certifications will be given. Since I have already been subscribed, so all you have to do is just subscribe and start your modules immediately. Okay guys, so this is about all about the certifications course. In the same way you can able to see a lot of courses being available on the website itself. So just check all the price, go to price menu where you find a lot of free schedules of the websites. You could see communication skills, ICT GST 98. See, there are a lot of things like within 1 week, 2 weeks, or 10 weeks of artificial intelligence. All the courses being carried on. All you have to do is to subscribe. So this is how we just want to find out. Thank you guys for loving.